you can correct like those. What is DOAC? Dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphin. So you know dopamine is a reward chemical, right? Which is what? Praise to the teacher. Okay. So what you are basically to instructor, right? Okay. Perform something. वरना कुछ कर बेटे लोगों को लास्ट
सबसे ज्यादा हैप्पीनेस तब होती है जब मैं अपना शूटिंग करूँ और मेरा स्कोर बहुत अच्छा है।
किसके शब्द है? Through this activity, the point which we are trying to sensitize is how after time, a watch you have time, you have time, you have now students, come on, awesome. How many is it? No innovation. Oh, this is innovation. There was one sir, please come sir. There was one woman, please come here. पढ़ने वाले बोल नहीं, मतलब पढ़ने वाले बोल नहीं। आपने कहा Sir, you came for class? No. Create positive environment in the classroom. Create positive environment in the classroom. That is possible when you walk the talk. We have incorporated walk the talk. Lead by example. When every student, whatever economic status, religion, caste, whatever, very special, able student, whosoever, feels safe in your classroom and like embryonic state, I take care and map this one bias, so this one bias. I can learn and evolve. I think you are done. ये होना चाहिए approach. जैसे मैंने कहा था, शिक्षक साधारण नहीं होगा बनाना, निर्माण उसकी बोध में किए गए. ये तभी पॉसिबल है when you have this holistic approach and lead by example. खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं है. सारी कोशिशें हैं कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. मेरे सिर में ना सही, तेरे सिर में सही, वो कहेंगे आठ, ये आठ जल्दी चाहिए. दुष्यंत कुमार, one of my favorite poets, patriotic poet. I stand here in front of you and I take pride. Today I am one of the chosen ones, luckiest one to stand in front of the Gurus on Guru Purnima. Thank you very much, Dr. Mamta, and thank you, every one of you. Thank you very much for making my day. Thank you very much.
The entire DPS Abohar family, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Guru sir for conducting such an inspiring faculty development program on Let's Create Happy Classrooms. Sir, your valuable insights and practical ideas have reminded us that a happy classroom is built on positive relationships, empathy, and meaningful learning. We are sure that today's session will enrich our teaching practices and benefit our students. Thank you, sir, for sharing your time, experience, and wisdom with us. We are truly grateful for your inspiring presence. Thank you once again, sir, and thank you everyone.